Hi, it's Fia Saro. Hello, Cancer placements. Okay, so love reading ngayong September pagdating sa new person and sa person on your mind. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter, message lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po ha, pagdating sa ating mga private readings, okay? Personal readings, okay? So, yeah, let's start with the new person for you. Cancer placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, North Node. Okay, Cancer. How do you see this person? How do you view them? Okay, how do you view this person? Feeling ko may nalaglag. Feeling ko lang. Okay. So how do you view this person, this new person? Okay, the Hierophant in reversed. Why? You see this person as a non-committal or someone na talagang hindi open sa pakikipagrelasyon, maybe sa'yo. Why the Hierophant in reversed? The Lovers! Yeah, hindi sila open. Yeah, I think, iba sa inyo Cancer. Iba sa inyo, sabihin natin kumukonect siya sa'yo pero they doesn't give, any validations. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Four of Cups. May nakakaramdam dito na parang, maybe, may kulang. Okay? May issue. Yeah. And the Eight of Cups in reversed. Some of you, itong taong to, sabihin natin, tingin mo problemado. Problemado. Oo, babae, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya. We have here Taurus and Gemini. Okay. How do this person sees you? How do they view you? Cancer. How do they view you? Eight of Wands. They see you someone na talagang open pagdating sa communication, maybe. Okay, Eight of Wands. And the Six of Pentacles. Nakikita ka ng taong to na parang nakikigo with the flow ka. Okay? Yeah, go with the flow. They find you interesting. Yes. Yeah, interesting. Eight of Wands, Six of Pentacles. Tingin nila sa'yo, open na open ka pagdating sa communication, I think. Yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Okay? I don't know kung bakit itong taong ito is nakikita mo na sabihin nating pwedeng makarelasyon pero they're not open or hindi sila available. Okay? There's something. Yeah. Gusto ko makita tong Lovers. What's with these Lovers? Dito sa unang card natin. How do you see this person? You see this person as the lovers. Why? The Tower in reverse. Yeah, they're trying to avoid relationship or hindi sila open. Okay? Ina-avoid ng taong to na makipagrelasyon or magkaroon ng label, I think. Hindi nila kaya na magkaroon or hindi nila kaya ikaw bigyan ng label. Yeah, you're too open. You are too open, Cancer, dito sa taong to. Yeah, you're too open. Someone is already, someone, pwedeng itong taong ito is guarded or, yeah. Let's see, ano ba ang emosyon niya towards you? Anong emosyon ng taong to towards you, Cancer? This new person? Ano ang emotion niya? The Page of Swords in reverse. Some of them, they watch you. They stalk you. They're stalking you. They're watching you. What's with the Page of Swords in reverse? The Ten of Wands in reverse. Why the Ten of Wands in reverse? Ikaw, parang ano eh. Alam ng taong to na hindi ka na hindi ka naman kailangan or hindi nila kailangan gumawa ng effort pagdating sa'yo. Bakit? Kasi pinapakita mo na sabihin nating open ka. Yes. Why the Ten of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the King of Wands. Control ng taong ito. Yeah. Okay, the Ace of Wands is here. Their focus pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Attracted actually. Attracted. Iba sa inyo alam ng taong to na talagang gusto mo siya. And yung iba sa inyo, alam mo na itong taong ito is already in a relationship. Yes. Specific yun. Is specific. Alam mo na itong taong ito is nakatali na. Or yeah, sabihin natin may karelasyon. Kaya hindi nila pwedeng ibigay sa'yo yung relasyon na gusto mo or connection na gusto mo. Okay? Alam nila na gusto mo siya. Iba sa inyo, meron nang nangyayari ditong nagpapalagayan na ng loob. Ha? Okay? Meron na. Pero, ang nakikita ko rito, hindi balanse. Okay? Itong taong ito, alam nila na talagang kahit hindi sila gumawa, okay, pagdating dito sa connection nyo na to, is tatakbo pa rin. Tatakbo pa rin. Okay? The Seven of Swords is here in reverse. Yes, meron ditong sitwasyon na sabihin nating hindi natago. Okay? May alam ka. What is their next action? Anong next action? Itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. And the Six of Cups. Kukunin nito yung tiwala mo. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Kukunin niya yung tiwala mo, ha? Yeah. The Two of Pentacles, yeah, meron ditong juggling. May nagja-juggle dito. Okay, the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Cups. Some of you, nandyan yung breadcrumb. Yes. Iba sa inyo, sabihin natin next action nito is magbigay sa'yo. Magbigay ng kung ano, like material things. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Cups is here. Pagkuha ng loob, pagkuha ng tiwala. They're, sabihin natin attracted, no? Lalo na physically. Physically attracted. Okay. Sa iba sa inyo na alam nyong ito ay single, okay? Sa iba sa inyo na alam mong itong taong ito ay single, titingnan niya na aralin yan kung may patutunguhan ba itong connection na to. Okay? Yeah. Susubukan din niya na maging open. Yun is para sa mga alam nyong single, ha? Itong tao. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Cancer? Hindi pa siya open, actually. Okay? Pagdating sa relationship. Communication, yes. Open siya. So, anong advice for Cancerians? The Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands, guard up. Why? Why? Bakit kailangan mong mag-guard up? The Five of Cups. To avoid na rin yung pagkadismaya. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. So, mas mataas yung energy na meron itong kakonek eh. Okay? So, don't expect anything. Yes, kung meron siyang mga ibinibigay sa iyo, asahan mo. Pwede kang mag-expect doon. Okay? Kahit meron itong someone, ay, nagbibigay kasi siya ng ng kung ano man, binibigyan niya ako ng hopya. No? Yung mga kapag ganon, ha? Okay? Binibigyan niya ako ng turon. Ha? Ay, kinachat niya kasi ako eh. Oo, magka-chat rin kami lagi eh. Oo, kahit meron siyang iba. May mga ganon. So, don't expect. Sabi ko nga, this person is a juggler. Naninimbang. Okay. Knight of Swords. The Page of Pentacles. Universe, wag masyadong magmadali. Ha? Wag masyadong mag-expect anything dito sa taong to. Yeah. Okay. Wag nyo hayaan na parang ma-drone na lang kayo dito sa connection na to. Okay? Wag. Speaking of Wands, ito lang yung masasabi kong may asawa pagdating sa tarot. Ha? Okay? Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay? So, kung kaya mo na mag-guard up, hindi maging vulnerable, hindi maging present as always na ginagawa mo, and yeah, they see that, limitahan mo. Okay? Limitahan mo. So, yeah. Okay? So, doon naman tayo. Doon naman tayo sa person on your mind. Okay, Cancer. Who is the person on your mind? The person on Cancerian's mind. Oops. Some of you, mayroong mga bago, no? Na, yeah, umuusbong-usbong. Okay, maybe there's this someone na talagang gustong kumuha ng attention mo. Okay, anyway. So, who is this person? Who's the person on your mind, Cancer? The person on Cancerian's mind, please. The Lovers. Oh. Pwedeng Gemini. Pwedeng magkarelasyon kayo ng taong to. or meron kayong yeah, yun lang, as simple as meron kayong lasyon. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Meron ba dito nakikipagbalikan? Meron ba ditong gumugusto ng new beginning? Yeah, may nagpa-pursue dito. May nakikipagbalikan. Itong taong to nakikipagbalikan sa'yo. Or may nangyaring pagbabalikan sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, ano bang situation ninyo ngayon, Cancer? Ano ang situation ninyo ngayon? The Three of Swords. So, third party involvement. Some of you. Okay? So, kung hindi pa man kayo nagkakabalikan, may chance na separated pa rin kayo. And yes, this person is trying to have a new beginning. Okay? So, let's see what's with this Three of Swords. The Two of Swords in reverse. Situation, kailangan itong pumili. Kung wala man third party, okay, kung wala mang third party pagdating sa sitwasyon, ito yung parang pagdedesisyon. Okay? Pagdedesisyon pagdating dyan sa pababalikin ko ba or hindi. Pero kung alam nyo may third party, situation dito is kailangang pumili. Okay? Kailangang pumili. Okay. So, ano ba ang emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Cancer? What is their true emotion? The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Feeling nila, this is just a waste of time. I don't know why. Okay? Para kasi itong taong to nagmamakaawa sa'yo na bumalik. Yes. And tinatry na lang talagang alisin kung ano man ang gumugulo sa sitwasyon. Okay? The Seven of Pentacles, feeling nila, the Seven of Pentacles, parang this is just a waste of time. Why? The King of Cups. Ooh. This person loves you. Pero parang feeling nila, wala nang patutunguhan to. Okay? This person loves you. Pero bakit ang feeling nila is wala nang patutunguhan? May chance na itong taong to is third party, I guess. Yeah, the Empress, the Star. Ang nakukuha ko rito is they are fighting, no? Kung anong emosyon nila pagdating sa'yo. Pero yes, they love you. Yeah, they love you. Pero kung ano man yung meron, like situation ninyo is nag-end, lalong lumalalim yung emosyon nito for you. Yeah. Humahantong na sa pwedeng magmakaawa tong taong to. Yeah. Okay? Piliin mo ko, mga ganun. Oh no. Pero alam naman niya na walang patutunguhan to kahit mahalin ka niya. Yeah. Ano ang next action ng taong to towards you, Cancer? The Knight of Cups, Universe, yes. Eventually, parang maglalaylo or parang unti-unti na matutunan ng taong to na parang mawala yung emosyon. By the Knight of Cups, Universe. Yeah, strength. Makakaya niya na. Actually. The Nine of Cups. The Devil in reverse. Bilib ako sa taong to. Kung sino man to, Cancer. Bilib ako. Kasi nakakaya nila na kahit nandun yung pagmamahal alam nila kung paano magba-back out. Alam nila kung paano mag-step back. Okay? So, marunong itong taong itong rumespeto. Okay? Marunong siyang rumespeto. Yes. Hindi siya yung parang manggulo. Okay? If this is a third party, hindi ito para manggulo. Kahit sabihin natin gustong-gusto ng taong to, magkaroon kayo ng new beginning, pero kung nakagawa ka na ng decision, nandyan yung parang re-respetuhin ka ng taong to. Okay? Yes. They will accept. Okay? They will. Yeah, sa ngayon, na-accept na ng taong to. Yes. So, anong advice or anong outcome ninyo nitong person na nasa isip mo? Yeah, Race of Swords in reversed. So, Race of Swords in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reversed. Death. Yeah, death. This is ending totally. Yeah, Temperance. Actually, syempre, tao to, no? Tao rin naman siya. Makakaramdam to ng panghihinayang, galit, pero dadaan lang siya doon, no? Okay? Dadaan lang din kayo sa ganun. Yeah. Ang nakuha ko kasi is parang both kayo na parang magiging marunong kayo magrespeto sa isa't isa. Okay? Parang ganon. The Ace of Swords in reverse, so mawawala ang komunikasyon. Okay? Mawawala ang komunikasyon dahil alam naman na hindi naman talaga dapat to. Okay? This is accepting. Temperance is here. This is having balance. Pagtanggap. Okay? Being patient rin sa situation. Okay? Yung iiwasan rin na parang gumawa ng gulo. Hindi siya ganon. Yes, hindi ganon to. So, I think, yeah, totoong mahal ka ng taong to. Kasi yan, dun yung linyahang kung mahal is palalayain. Okay? Parang ganon. Ooh! This is kawawa. This is sad. Hindi sa kawawa. Malungkot. Oo, malungkot. Malungkot. Okay? So, yeah. A lot of stalking. Wala na. Wala akong nakikita ritong magiging action pa after this. Okay? Yeah. Marunong magbigay ng kapatawaran, ng respeto sa isa't isa. Magbibigay kayo ng ganon sa isa't isa eventually. Okay? So, some of them still, they're waiting for a closure. Kung ikaw, meron kang responsibilidad na magbigay nun, gawin mo na. Tulong na yun eh. Tulong na yun. Kahit alam natin na itong taong to is kaya niya na mag-move forward. Okay? Tulong na lang din yun actually. Yung pagbibigay ng closure. Hindi naman kasi masama na magbigay, no, ng closure sa mga taong sabihin nating nangangailangan ng closure. Wag niyo ipagdamot, please. Okay, kasi minsan yun yung isang nagiging tulong na rin para mag-umpisa muli yung iba. Okay, so yeah, yung aking nakikita pagdating sa inyo mga Cancerian. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.